In the case of dissolution of firm, following accounts are prepared in a particular order. First one is realization account, then partners loan account, partners capital account, cash or bank account. Realization account. A realization account is opened for disposing of all the assets. Dispose of means sale karna, of all the assets of the firm and making payment to all the creditors. Realization account is a nominal account and the object of this account is to find out the profit or loss on realization of assets and payment of liabilities. Whenever the assets are transferred to realization account, then the journal entry will be realization account debit to sundry assets, and all the assets are transferred to the realization account except cash and bank balance given in the balance sheet on the asset side. Fictitious assets such as accumulated losses like debit balance of profit and loss account, and deferred revenue expenditure like debit balance of advertisement suspense account are transferred to the partner's capital account, and these are not to be transferred to the realization account. Partner's capital account debit to profit and loss and to deferred revenue expenditure. Balance of loss transferred to the partner's capital account in the profit sharing ratio. And if there is existed provisions against any asset, like provision for doubtful debts, provision for depreciation, etc., these provisions should be transferred to the credit side of the realization account, and the asset is transferred on the debit side of the realization account at their gross value. For example, total debtors are 50,000 and provision for doubtful debt is 4,000. We will not transfer the 46,000 to the debit side of the realization account. Rupees 50,000 will be transferred to the realization account, and 4,000 provision for doubtful debts will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. All the provisions are transferred to the credit side of the realization account, like provision for bad debts, provision for depreciation, machinery replacement reserve, investment fluctuation reserve. Investment will be transferred to the debit side of the realization account, and investment fluctuation fund or investment fluctuation reserve will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. And cash and bank balances are not transferred to the realization account. A separate cash or bank account will be prepared, and assets are always transferred to the realization account at the book values, the value given in the balance sheet. And for closing the liabilities account, all the liabilities are transferred to the credit side of the realization account, sundry liabilities to realization account. And following points should be kept in mind while transferring the liabilities to the realization account. Only those liabilities which relate to third parties are transferred to the realization account, such as creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, and other outside loan. Provident fund, it belongs to employees, outstanding expenses, partners, wife loan, etc. These liabilities will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account. And if partners loan is given in the on the liability side of the balance sheet, it will not be transferred to the realization account. Partner loan account are prepared separately because partner loan is paid after the payment of the outside liability but before the payment of partners capital. After prepare partners loan account के prepare करने के बाद we will prepare the partners capital account. And undistributed profits such as general reserve, reserve fund, credit balance of profit and loss account are also not transferred to the realization account. These reserves and undistributed profits are given on the liability side of the balance sheet. These the balances of these accounts are transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. General reserve, reserve fund, P&L account, contingency reserve, workman compensation reserve are credited to the partners capital account. Treatment of workman compensation reserve at the time of dissolution of the firm. There are 5 cases. Case 1. In this case, there is no liability against workman compensation reserve. In such a case, the entire amount of workman compensation that is given on the liability side of the balance sheet credited to the capital accounts of the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital account. For example, there are 3 partners A, B, and C, and workmen and their profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1, and workmen compensation reserve is given on the liability side of the balance sheet is 60,000. Then it will be distributed or credited to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. The entry will be workmen compensation reserve account debit to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account, 20,000. Case 2. Case the amount of liability is less than the amount of workman compensation reserve. Workman compensation reserve is also given, and there is a liability of claim against this. Suppose workman compensation reserve is 20,000 and the liability for claim is rupees 8,000. Then the amount equal to claim will be transferred to the credit side of the realization account because that claim becomes a liability, outside liability. It will be paid to the worker, and all outside liabilities transferred to the credit side of the realization account. Workman compensation reserve account 20,000 and amount equal to liability, that is 8,000, will be transferred to the realization account, and the remaining amount of reserve, that is 12,000, will be credited to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Next case, amount of liability is equal to the amount of workman compensation reserve. Workman compensation reserve is 20,000 and liability is also 20,000. Then amount equal to liability means whole amount of workman compensation reserve in this case will be transferred to the realization account and nothing is left for distribution among the partners. Fourth case, in case the amount of liability is more than the amount of workman compensation reserve. Reserve is less but liability is more. Suppose workman compensation reserve is 20,000 and liability is 25,000. And in this case, the whole amount of workman compensation reserve will be transferred to the realization account. 20,000 will be transferred to the realization account. Okay, let us discuss illustration first. Lavanya and Priya were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Pass journal entries for the following transactions at the time of dissolution of firm. Case first. Workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and there was no liability towards workmen compensation reserve. It means the whole amount of the workmen compensation reserve will be transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 2:3 and 1/3. Workmen compensation reserve 1,50,000 to Lavanya's and to Priya's capital account in the ratio of 2:3 and 1/3. Next transaction, workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 and liability in respect of it was ascertained at 90,000. Then amount equal to liability will be transferred to the realization account and the remaining amount 60,000 will be transferred to the Lavanya's and Priya's capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Amount equal to liability, that is 90,000, will be transferred to the realization account and the remaining amount, that is 60,000, will be transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio 2/3 and 1/3. Third case, workmen compensation reserve 1,50,000 and liability is also 1,50,000. In that case, the amount equal to liability will be transferred to the realization account. 1,50,000 workmen compensation reserve to realization account, and when liability is paid off, then realization account debit to bank. And in case 4, workmen compensation reserve 1,50,000 and liability is rupees 2 lakh. Then the whole amount of workmen compensation reserve will be transferred to the realization account. 1,50,000 will be transferred to the realization account. 1,50,000 and liability is paid off rupees 2 lakh, realization account debit to bank account. And the last and transaction is, there was no workman compensation reserve in the balance sheet and firm had to pay rupees 40,000 as compensation to the worker. Workman compensation reserve is not there, then only सिर्फ liability की payment की entry होगी, that is realization account debit to bank account.